Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all? So today in this video we are going to discuss multiple choice questions of Indian Penal Code 1860. These MCQs are important and direct. आप लोगों को आने चाहिए ये MCQs and these MCQs are from Uttarakhand Judicial Service Exam 2009. You should know these multiple choice questions and do try to test and score yourself that do you know or not. And if you want to watch more multiple choice questions, you can go to my playlist of law MCQs mock test and you people can solve those MCQs there. चलो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 क्या बोल रहा है. It says that which one of the following provisions of the Indian Penal Code defines unlawful assembly. I have already created video on this. एंड क्या इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन देखो, इतना डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, आपको आना चाहिए. आज सेक्शन 141, सेक्शन 142, सेक्शन 146, 149 ऑफ इंडियन पीनल कोड, इनमें से कौन सा सेक्शन करेक्ट है? डायरेक्ट है इसका आंसर. सेक्शन 141 of the Indian Penal Code defines unlawful assembly. What is unlawful assembly? You can go to my playlist of Indian Penal Code and can see the video there. Or if you know, very good. You should note this. Section 141 defines unlawful assembly. Now question number 2, what it says? It says that which one of the following sections of the Indian Penal Code has been declared unconstitutional as a violative of Articles 14 and 21 of the Indian Constitution. क्या करेक्ट ऑप्शन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का? इस क्वेश्चन के लिए आप लोग कौन सा सेक्शन प्रेफर करोगे? ए बी सी डी देख लीजिए आप खुद. 301, 303, 306, 314. तो डायरेक्ट है ऑप्शन बी प्रेफर करना. सेक्शन 303 इज द करेक्ट वन. यू हैव टू प्रेफर दिस सेक्शन फॉर दिस. एंड केस कौन सा प्रेफर करोगे? सी. Section 303 was struck down by the Supreme Court in the case of Mithu versus State of Punjab, AIR 1983 Supreme Court. What happened in this case? It has been declared this particular section to be unconstitutional as it was violative of Article 14 and 21 of the Constitution of India. Now question number 3, it says that which one of the following sections of the Indian Penal Code relates with the punishment of cheating? Punishment for cheating. तो क्या करेक्ट ऑप्शन है इसका? भी ये भी डायरेक्ट होना चाहिए. पनिशमेंट फॉर चीटिंग ऑप्शन ए सेक्शन 1 415, ऑप्शन बी 417, ऑप्शन सी सेक्शन 416, ऑप्शन डी none of the above. So the correct option of this question is section 147, punishment for cheating. Whoever cheats shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 1 year or with fine or with both. Section 17 देखो 417, it deals with the punishment for cheating. डायरेक्ट था इसका भी. Now question number 4, it says that which provision of the Indian Penal Code makes water pollution punishable? तो क्या करेक्ट ऑप्शन है? ऑप्शन ए बोलता है सेक्शन 277, ऑप्शन बी बोलता है 278, ऑप्शन सी 279, ऑप्शन डी 280. डायरेक्ट इसका आंसर है सेक्शन 277 ऑफ इंडियन पीनल कोड makes it talks about the it gives us the provision of the this provision deals with water pollution which makes it punishable, dealing with polluting water of पब्लिक स्प्रिंग और रिजर्वायर. 277 सेक्शन प्रेफर करो, खुद समझ जाओगे. और केसेस प्रेफर करो जिन केसेस में ये बोला गया है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज that it says that culpable homicide is defined under which section? It's very easy. Again, section 299 of the Indian Penal Code के अंदर defined है culpable homicide. You should know, do not get confused with between culpable homicide and murder. ठीक है, culpable homicide अलग है and murder is a different thing. Now culpable homicide आप लोग कौन से चैप्टर के अंदर पढ़ोगे? It is covered under the chapter of offenses affecting the human body. A is the correct one. So 299 is defining the culpable homicide. So this was all about this video, and if you people have any doubt, do let me know below in the comment box, and do like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. और आप लोग मेरी प्लेलिस्ट पे लॉ MCQs मॉक टेस्ट की प्लेलिस्ट पे जाकर और MCQs सॉल्व कर सकते हो. Thank you.